You wanted me to recreate Anushka Sharma's smoky eye look. So let's get started with today's video. Anushka Sharma's brows are pretty filled in, and to do this I'm using the ADHM Brow Wiz pencil in the shade dark brown. To keep my brows in place, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel. And to hide pigmentation, I'm using the NYX Pro Fix Stick Concealer in the shade Golden. With the Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette and the shade Heroine with the Morphe A20 brush, I'm going to be brightening up the brow bone. And now with the Morphe A11 brush and the shade Rise Up, let's apply that into the crease. Now with the shade Hope and with any flat brush, we are going to be starting to create that smoky eye look. Go back into the shade Hope and build up the color even more. You should always start from the lash line moving upwards so that blending doesn't become too difficult for you. Back into the same shade, let's build up the color once again. And now with the shade Rise Up and any fluffy brush, blend that into the crease. Into the shade Hope, let's build up that color again. Be patient because if you don't get this step right, it could mess up the smoky eye look. And as before, back into the shade Rise Up, blend that into the crease. With the E42 brush and the shade Hope, apply that to the bottom lash line. Back into the same shade again, apply that and blend it out on the lashes. Don't forget to focus at the edge of the eye. With the Refer 03 brush and the shade Renegade, apply that close to the upper lash line. Try to be as precise as you can. Mix up the shade Hope and Renegade and blend that. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content, so please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. Go in with the shade Renegade again and build up the color. Mix in Hope and Renegade together on a brush and apply that only to the outer V. We are adding some more depth here. Change your brush and blend that into the crease. With the pencil brush and the shade Renegade, apply that only to half of the bottom lash line. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. Change your brush and with the shade Hope, blend that. Your eyes will look something like this. With the Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl pencil in the shade Very Vanta, apply that to the bottom lash line and also tight line the upper lash line. This will give you the incredible smokiness you are looking for. Make sure you're removing any fallout before heading to the next step. And now go in with your concealer and apply that on your skin. And blend it out. Curl those lashes. Today I'm using the Rimmel Thrill Seeker Volume Mascara and applying that on my lashes. This is a beautiful everyday mascara too, which you can wear to work. So I hope you can try it out. And there you go guys, this is Anushka Sharma's Smokey eye look. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.